So here is my video of tips and tricks for the Amazon Fire TV and also Kodi, because I have Kodi installed on my Amazon Fire TV. Now if you have any tips and tricks that I haven't mentioned here for your own purpose that helps to improve your experience with the Amazon Fire TV, please put it down in the comments to help me and anyone else. First tip is to scroll over to settings, go to network, and if you're like me and you've got a dual band router, you'll have two options, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Now I choose 5 GHz because my router is in very close proximity to my Amazon TV device. But if your router is quite far away from your Amazon TV device, choose 2.4 because 2.4 is better at long distances. Another thing that I do is go to display and sound and over to the display settings, and within there go to match original frame rate. Now make sure that this is turned on. Some apps that support it, namely the Amazon Prime TV app, will automatically change the resolution of your TV to match the frame rate of the content that you're watching. This matching of frame rate can help reduce stuttering effects. So the next step is to go to equipment control, and within there make sure that equipment control is set to automatic. This allows you to, for the most part, use only one remote control. So the Amazon Fire TV remote will allow you to control your TV and your Amazon Fire device. Next I go into preferences and privacy settings, and then within there I make sure that the device usage data, collect app usage data and interest-based ads are all turned off. Okay, so over to Kodi now. So we scroll over to settings, and then within there we go to player, and then make sure that we are on the expert settings. Go to videos and then adjust display refresh rate, and then within this menu select on start. Now this will match your television refresh rate, so the refresh rate of your television will switch to the refresh rate or the hertz, the frequency of the video that you're watching. So i.e. if you're watching a film which is recorded at 24 frames per second, it will switch your TV to 24 Hz. This should remove most, if not all, stuttering. So the next step for me is to go into system, and then from within there I go over to audio, and then we go over to the number of channels. So when I'm in my man cave, I have a home cinema kit in there, I make sure it's on 5.1. Then I scroll down to the setting that allows pass through, so it's an audio pass through, and that will allow my system to get direct access to the audio. And then you just have to select whatever your receiver is capable of supporting. So in my case it's DTS and Dolby Digital. Okay, so the next thing that I do is when I'm playing a video of some sort, I go into settings, audio settings, and then I scroll down to audio offset. Now every video I play is always a little bit out of sync, so you adjust it here, and I've adjusted it by 0.225, and then once you've done that, just select the set as default for all media, and then you won't have to adjust this again. Also select allow pass through. Okay, that's it. So if you've got any tips and tricks that may help me or anyone else, please put them in the comments, please share them, and please also like and subscribe because it really helps my channel. Thank you very much for watching.